welcome another management on board. We have Mr. Kamal Singal, the Managing Director and CEO at Arvind SmartSpaces, joining us. Hi, Kamal. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for making time and speaking with us. Well, we understand that your latest launch has seen quite a bit of good response from the buyers as well. Talk to us about Arvind Greatlands. What kind of revenue potential does it hold? What's the timeline for execution, etc.?
We really saw a very great kind of response from Greatlands. It is located in North Bangalore, close to the airport, Devanahalli. This is our first big project under launch. On the horizontal side, we've been doing quite a few vertical projects there, apartments, etc. But this one is the first horizontal plotting project that is happening. We launched phase one of this project, almost a little less than 30 acres, and it got sold out in no time. We are very happy with the kind of response that we received from the project. 200 crores worth of sales happened in just about 10 hours time. This project basically is now sized at around 70 acres, out of which little less than or rather 27 acres has been launched just now, and the balance is going to be launched in the times to come. So all in all, this will have a potential of around 600 to 700 crores when all the phases are launched. And of course, we are also trying to add more land into this project as we progress. So great potential, great launch, and we are very happy about the kind of response that we got on this one.
Okay, so 600 crores worth of full potential, and you're looking at adding land for this particular project as well. But overall for the company, what kind of growth rate are you expecting? What's been the demand momentum and the other pipeline for launches as well?
Yeah, so historically, we've been growing at a CAGR of around 30 to 40% on all major parameters, including top line, fresh sales, etc. And we are hopeful that this growth momentum will sustain. This year also, we expect the same kind of growth to happen. Last year, we sold 600 crores worth of fresh inventory. And this year possibly will be able to achieve the growth numbers that we have targeted for ourselves. So that's one. Growth, sales momentum, and the market is doing great, absolutely good. We have been we are kind of getting phenomenal response on whatever we are launching. We launched one project a couple of months back in Ahmedabad, and there also the sales was almost like a similar velocity. So all in all, I think market is doing great. There is a great momentum. There is a tailwind. Interest rates are going up, but that's not that big a concern at this point in time. So all in all, good time, great times, both for the developers and also for the consumers. The affordability was at one of the best kind of levels for the past few years, and it still is one of the best in our understanding, and that's why we believe that momentum will continue.
And Kamal, just before we let you go, a quick question on the balance sheet with respect to the entire capex that you talked about and the launch pipeline. How are you funding that? And by the end of the year, how should the balance sheet picture look like?
We signed up the third arrangement with HDFC Capital, which is a platform deal where both of us will be investing 900 crore rupees of fresh investments into projects, new pipeline of projects. This 900 crores of fresh investments will bring us something like 4 to 5,000 crore rupees of top line. And under the platform, 600 crores will come from HDFC and 300 crores will come from Arvind. Besides the platform, of course, there are internal accruals and other sources that we are utilizing. As we speak, the balance sheet is totally debt-free as of now, and hence there is a very significant headroom to raise debt in the balance sheet itself. So together, internal accruals, a very significant headroom on the debt raise, and 900 crores of platform under HDFC. I think these three are the major sources that we are going to be investing. Idea is to completely exhaust this pipeline of investment worth 900 crores under the platform within this financial year, and that's one of the major investment kind of initiative which is right now happening, and all the energies are focused on making sure that this investment comes through.
Thank you, Mr. Kamal, for joining us on the show and giving us a slice of what's exactly working in favor of Arvind SmartSpaces. We leave it there. Thank you so much for joining us on the show. That was Mr. Kamal Singal, who's the Managing Director and CEO at Arvind SmartSpaces.